Welcome to this video, guys. So this is my last video on my R1, this beautiful gorgeous Yamaha 2015 R1, and major reasons that I'm switching, but it's all good reasons. Nothing bad happened, nothing upsetting happened, but this is gonna be my last ride, so I'm gonna record. Yeah, sure. Oh, grand. How are you guys? Good. Yeah, sure. What's your YouTube name?
What's my username?
Yeah.
Frankie the King 123.
Okay. That's good. Do you want to hear it?
Yeah.
All right. Do you want to start it?
Yeah, but what? So I don't want to go. I don't want to go on it.
Okay. Just press this button and yeah, just press this button.
Hold it.
Yeah, hold it. You want to do? Oh. All right. I was gonna do the start, but these guys make it more beautiful. And I'm gonna head to meet up friends. It's a beautiful day, beautiful sunset. And today we were at the Megabytes open day, and I was the behind the camera person for Mr. Lukey, which YouTube is free ride fusion. I'm gonna have that video, open day video, which was really amazing experience, in the description below. Or if it's not out, I'm gonna have his YouTube channel link. Today is 16th of August. It's a bit of sad day where this is gonna be my last ride, but also exciting for what's next coming to the channel. And I have done in second week of July with Tom's Sligo trip of around 720 kilometer. Why I'm selling the R1? I can't fully utilize the power of the R1. That is the major reason, in between few other minor reasons that I'm selling this. One other thing is the insurance price for myself. So I am paying around 250 euro per month for this bike, but with this one I wanted to have the experience, and I couldn't argue that whatever I wanted to feel on this bike, the emotions and everything that I have done so far. Huge trip, and to see how it's gonna feel riding this for 740 kilometers in 24 hours. After I did the trip, maybe like 2 days afterwards, I was absolutely wrecked and exhausted by the whole trip. I didn't wanted to look at the bike for next 3.5 weeks, and I couldn't explain this feeling to someone else. Why is the reason you're not being on the bike? After giving a proper thought, I'm gonna sell this bike, having it for a 6 months straight. There was an opportunity that came up to me, which was the perfect timing of how I was feeling. Okay, I'm gonna tease it that it's an adventure model, and it's a hot topic, really hot topic, and it's really good. It's all fun and games, basically. Being reliable is not in the question, but it's like a trophy bike, where you could be able to use this on a weekend, or something in a big bike meetup, which you will kind of feel good. Being at my age, kind of having that knack of being heroic in your own character. So these are the reasons that I'm gonna sell. And the one reason that tipped me off towards this, because I already had a knack of adventure bike. Okay, because I love camping, grabbing the tent, going into nature and all those. I was doing this as a scout when I was 12 years old to 16 years old, and I love than the feeling that I get over there. And it's been in my head in like school days, as in like a teenage years. So being an adult, I just wanted to experience that. Instead of me waiting for a year to happen, that now it's gonna happen just sooner. And now I'm having my buddy Luki, who is also going to join me, or to say I am gonna join him to do all those things. And I'm really excited for the next bike, to shoot some content over to the woods. And I would love recommendation of where I could go on the dual sport adventure bike. And I'm really happy about it. I got the bug out of my system of having this bike at this age, and now it's just gonna be a little bit fun in like a different kind of way. So I had a chat today with Jamie at Yamaha dealership at Danfee, and I think I might put this video out sooner, just because folks would be aware that this bike is going to be or put on a sale in Danfee dealership at Newlands. So if you're interested, hop onto Danfee's in next week or the next weekend or so, and this bike would be available over there. And that's it. I'm gonna enjoy this ride. I hope you guys enjoyed the content on this bike. There is gonna be a beautiful sunset. Maybe I'll somehow have some music on the video or something like that.